We designed the air cordless lift to be both powerful and incredibly convenient. Wind Tunnel 3 technology gives you great performance for cleaning all your floors. And the liftoff canister makes it easy to clean furniture, stairs, and other above-floor surfaces. For tougher messes, press the boost button to clean with extra suction power. The air cordless lift gives you fade-free, cordless convenience with a long-lasting lithium life battery. Other features like steerable technology, LED headlights, and the 2-in-1 tool make whole home cleaning even more versatile. And we protected your purchase with a 5-year limited warranty that covers not only the vacuum, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless Lift. Power and portability without the hassle of a cord.
You've worked hard to make your house a home. So to keep your home as clean as it can be, you want a vacuum designed to clear up debris quickly and effectively. The Bolt Ion XRT is designed to help you clean the day-to-day messes that may come your way. Bolt Ion XRT's 25.2-volt lithium-ion battery allows you to vacuum with continuous cordless power for up to 40 minutes. At the touch of a button, Bolt Ion XRT's Edge Reach technology focuses suction to the edge of the vacuum to clean all the way into edges and corners. Bolt Ion XRT's swivel steering design allows for easy cleaning around furniture and other obstacles, and the two-way folding handle allows Bolt Ion XRT's powerful suction to clean in hard-to-reach spaces. The removable hand vacuum provides powerful suction in a handheld device, allowing for quick spot cleans wherever necessary. All of these features are available in one unit that is ready to clean whenever you are, and most importantly, allows you to get back to enjoying your home. The Bolt Ion XRT from Bissell.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them. My cleaning day? It should be every day. What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Lynx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
We designed the Air Cordless lift to be both powerful and incredibly convenient. Wind Tunnel 3 technology gives you great